चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और इस बेल आइकॉन को भी दबा दीजिए।
So, I welcome you all in this section of Wind Talk, and I am going to continue my talk on Indian Railways. If you miss the first four systems in India, but in this section I mainly concentrate on drawbacks and how I make those drawbacks to me feasible to me. So when the discussion goes on, then you will come to understand the first part of this section is the trains are highly limited in the section here. So there are, if we calculate the availability of railway trains are limited, you get 3 trains morning, and you find some express on at the noon, or we say at 5 o'clock, up to 3 to 5 o'clock you find another 3 trains, up till we calculate about. There is a time limit for railways. If you want to travel, you have to go through the time limit of Indian Railways, not by you. So first reason is the limited amount of trains available. When we consider other transport systems like KSRTC or other private buses, you will find the buses to main cities or even villages at an interval of half hour and 1 hour. The second is the train availability at all the places is not there. Even for some big cities also, the Indian Railways reach is lower. There is a specific path. So if we talk about, so this is the second reason, the availability of railways at all region in India is not there. Third one is the crowd. So when it come to the timing, the third reason is clearance. You must give some clearance. Clearance means you must not be specific that this train will come at this time and we will be in our destination, and we reach our destination at what time we have fixed. It is all up to Indian Railways that when the train will come and when it will reach. To overcome this drawback, I use this app called NTES, the official Railways app. You can download it from Play Store. See the link below. Open that NTES app and you may be seeing that it got many options. You can check whether the trains available between two stations, and now I am considering the live station. If you are traveling from one station to any place, so you can check from your home that by typing the city name and where you are going. It's optional. So if you type and search, you get the option of 2 hours and 4 hours. From now to 2 hours, from now to 4 hours, how much trains are moving. Now you can see the list of trains which are available to destination which I am going to board, and that in that section the trains, the delay time it also shows. So when I came to know about this app mostly in the year 2014, then onwards I am using this app regularly to check the train availability. If the train is delayed, then I come to reach to station accordingly. Before that, we used to be there at up to time when the train is available. In my life, to board a train, at the train which has to reach at 2 o'clock has reached 5 o'clock. Now the time has changed. Now the train at about the maximum of half an hour delay we see that, but on those days those delays are regular. A 1 hour delay is regular. Till today also it is there. So this is the third drawback. Next drawback is due to this much of low pricing, the railway services and the new railway lines are not constructing. You can see in Wikipedia page that from last 30 years the 30 projects are proposed and they are still in construction mode. They are still in construction mode. We Indians are talking that bullet train comes, bullet. But why do we need that bullet train? So when we are thinking about bullet trains, but the main railway service in my section, if I see there is no double railways and the railway pressure is high. If any express comes, the passenger has to wait until that express train passes. And we, the people of India, we pay less, so we have to adjust. This is the highest level of adjustment we can see when it comes to railway traveling. And now I am going to suggest a new app. This app name is Trainman. So if you are planning to travel in Indian Railways and the seat is full or waiting list, you see it is maybe. So if you want a clear picture of will we have to book the ticket or not, you can check out in that Trainman app, in which you get the predictions. I personally book many tickets on reference with this Trainman app, and the confirmation of those tickets I got. If you see more than 80%, 80% is less. If you see more than 90% chances of your train ticket booking, you can book the ticket. So this is one app I recommend all of you. So these are all my views on behalf of Indian Railways. I hope I am successful in explaining what I want to say and you understood my English. Thank you, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like my videos and support my channel for these types of videos in near future.